To this new video on the i2 software. My name is Jean-Jérôme and I'm part of the i2 support team. Today I will show you how you can install the help file for iBase in a different language than English. So when you install iBase, you can select your language. There are about 10 languages possible, but currently the iBase help will only be in English, even if you install iBase in French, Italian, Japanese, or everything. So let me show you. If I go, for example, so here I am in iBase in French, and if I select, for example, edit this, and if I go help or add, my help is in English. So what we did is we used an automatic translation software by DeepL to translate all the helps in different languages. So let me show you how to do it. So first, you have to go to a website. I will give the link on the description of the video. And on the all file support data, i2 translation, you currently have Dutch, the original English help files, Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, and Portuguese. I will try to add more languages as time goes by. So what I want to do is I want to add the help in French. So I go to French, and you do have the help on how to install the help in French. So if I click here, it will show me how to do it. And this video basically explains this, but in video format. Okay, so I need to download the zip file, fichier iBase. So I will download it and download. Okay, and let me go there. Now what's important is you must unzip the file. So let's right click. I got the unzip on my computer and extract to fichier iBase. Okay, I open the folder and then I can double click anyone. Let's say this one, the iBase CHM, and I'm checking that it's correct. So you must check that your help is in your language. So here in French, but you might choose a different language, of course. And you do have all the different menu here. And if I click here, this is in French, so this is good. Okay, now I just put this here, and I'm opening a new Windows Explorer. So Windows E for Windows Explorer. I'm going to C, then in program x86, then in iBase, in i2 iBase 9, then in resources, and here, so as my iBase is in French, I do have the FR, but if your iBase is in Spanish, for example, you would have ES or IT for Italian and so on. So FR for French, but again, you might have a different folder name. Then help, and here you must select the 3 files here, and you copy them to this file, this folder here. It asks you this destination already contains 3 files with the same names. Yes, I want to replace files. Continue. And good. So now let's check again. I'm clicking on iBase CHM. It's still good. Perfect. So, well, now I can open again iBase. So let's go IK. And now if I click on help here, or add, I do have my help in French. And I can show you if I want, for example, to have my help in, let's say, Italian. So let's close this, cancel, let's close that. Yes, let's go back here. Now, let's go i2 translation, Italiano. Let's download this file, fill it out with the iBase, and let's go download. Okay, let's go to this folder here and right click, 7-zip, extract. Okay, let's check again that the help is in Italian. Okay, busy, good. So now I'm just going back to the help here. Okay, so this is in Italian, this is in French currently. I'm copying, yes, yes, okay. Let's check again, Italian. So if I open again iBase, so even if my iBase is in French, I installed the Italian help. And my iBase help is in English. And my iBase help is now in Italian. So again, if I go back here and I do translation, currently the translations are available in German, the original Italian, the original English version, in Espanol, French, Italian, Dutch, and Portuguese. If you want more languages, just ask in the comments of this video, or you can also contact the IT support. So what's very important is that the translations of those help files was made by DeepL, which is an automatic translation service, which means that there might be some errors in the translation. There might be some words which will be different on the help and on the user interface. If it's not clear, if the help is not clear in your language, then what you must do is you must go back to the original English help files. You must install the files back and look at the official English help. The official help is in English. The help files which we provide in other languages are just to help you, but they are not official help files. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or to contact the IT support. Thank you. Bye.